Hey YouTubers. Oh, that wind's getting up. Tornadoes in my city. They get ready to hit us. You guys be safe here in the Panhandle. I hear something like a siren sound. You know how a tornado's hitting us. Ooh. Yeah, it's coming anytime. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. Please get me to 500 before this tornado takes me out.